consciousness, and these symbols are very simple but very deep. For example, the symbol of your personality, of yourself as a soul, is a big golden circle in which you sit in the center of this circle. And this is the symbol of a mandala. We know that mandala exists in many religious systems. And when you sit in the center of your circle, which is put on the ground, and you are in the center of your being. And this is, you learn how to be with yourself, totally connected, and with the concept of higher consciousness, which is the concept of God. But because Phyllis Crystal didn't want to make any connections with concrete religious systems, you imagine higher consciousness. This is general symbol for God.